Ever feel like you're missing out on something? Like there's a secret handshake to unlock extra perks, a hidden door to a world of savings and rewards? Maybe you've seen the bright yellow branding, heard whispers in the checkout line. Today, we're diving deep into that very question: what exactly is CommBank Yello? Let's be honest, the world of banking can feel a little gray. We're bombarded with jargon, complex terms, and promises that sometimes feel too good to be true. So, when something like Yello pops up, it's natural to be curious. Is it just another marketing gimmick? A loyalty program with hidden fees? Or is it something genuinely useful? To understand Yello, we need to rewind a bit. Think about the way we interact with businesses today. We're not just passive consumers anymore. We want experiences, personalized offers, and a sense of belonging. We want to feel valued. Banks, like any other business, are adapting to this shift. They're moving beyond simply holding our money to becoming partners in our financial journeys. Now, Commonwealth Bank, or CommBank, is one of the biggest players in the Australian banking scene. They've been around for over a century, and they've seen countless changes. They understand that to stay relevant, they need to evolve. That's where Yello comes in. So, what is CommBank Yello? In its simplest form, it's a loyalty program. But it's not your typical points-collecting, catalog-browsing program. It's designed to offer a range of benefits and rewards tailored to your individual needs and spending habits. Think of it as a tiered system. You start with the base level, Yello Every Day, and as you engage more with CommBank products and services, you can move up to Yello Premium and Yello Homeowner. Each tier unlocks a different set of perks. Let's break down the tiers, starting with Yello Every Day. This is the entry point, and it's accessible to most CommBank customers. Even at this level, you'll find valuable benefits. One of the key features is personalized offers. These aren't random discounts, they're tailored to your spending patterns. For instance, if you frequently buy coffee at a particular cafe, you might receive a discount on your next purchase. Another benefit is access to exclusive competitions and prize draws. CommBank often partners with various brands to offer unique experiences and rewards. You might find yourself winning tickets to a sporting event, a gift voucher, or even a travel package. Now, let's move up to Yello Premium. This tier is designed for customers who have a broader range of CommBank products and services. To qualify, you typically need to hold a home loan, a credit card, or a specific level of savings. The rewards here are significantly enhanced. With Yello Premium, you'll enjoy higher discounts on partner offers, access to exclusive events, and priority customer service. This means shorter wait times on phone calls and faster resolution of issues. You might also receive bonus interest rates on savings accounts or reduced fees on certain transactions. One of the most attractive benefits of Yello Premium is the ability to earn CommBank Awards points at an accelerated rate. These points can be redeemed for a variety of rewards, including travel, merchandise, and gift cards. This allows you to accumulate points faster and enjoy your rewards sooner. Finally, we have Yello Homeowner. This tier is specifically tailored for customers with a CommBank home loan. It offers a range of benefits designed to help homeowners manage their finances and save money. One of the key benefits is access to exclusive home loan offers and discounts. This might include reduced interest rates, waived fees, or cashback offers. You'll also receive personalized advice and support from CommBank's home loan specialists. Yello Homeowner also provides access to tools and resources to help you manage your home loan effectively. This includes budgeting tools, mortgage calculators, and educational content. These resources can help you stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions about your home loan. Now, it's important to understand that Yello isn't just about discounts and rewards. It's also about building a relationship with CommBank. The program aims to provide a more personalized and engaging banking experience. Think about it. In a world where everything is becoming increasingly digital, it's easy to feel disconnected from your bank. Yello tries to bridge that gap by offering personalized offers, exclusive events, and priority customer service. It's about making you feel like a valued customer, not just a number. Of course, like any loyalty program, there are terms and conditions. It's important to read the fine print and understand the eligibility requirements for each tier. You should also consider whether the benefits align with your individual needs and spending habits. For example, if you're not a frequent traveler, the travel rewards offered by Yello Premium might not be as valuable to you. Similarly, if you don't have a home loan, Yello Homeowner won't be relevant. So, is CommBank Yello worth it? The answer, as with most things, depends on your individual circumstances. If you're a CommBank customer who actively engages with their products and services, you'll likely find value in the program. The personalized offers, exclusive events, and priority customer service can enhance your banking experience and help you save money. And if you're a homeowner or a frequent traveler, the benefits offered by Yello Premium and Yello Homeowner can be particularly attractive. However, if you're a casual CommBank customer who doesn't use many of their products and services, you might not see as much value in the program. It's important to weigh the benefits against your own needs and spending habits. Ultimately, CommBank Yello is a reflection of the changing landscape of banking. It's a move towards a more personalized, engaging, and rewarding customer experience. It's about building relationships and providing value beyond simply holding your money. In conclusion, CommBank Yello is a tiered loyalty program designed to reward customers for their engagement with CommBank products and services. It offers a range of benefits, including personalized offers, exclusive events, priority customer service, and bonus rewards. Whether it's right for you depends on your individual circumstances and spending habits. It's a program that tries to add a little bit of sunshine to your banking experience. It's about making you feel valued and appreciated. It's about turning the sometimes mundane task of managing your finances into something a little more rewarding. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.